Are you ready to take control of your tasks and boost your productivity? ClickUp is the game-changing tool that can transform your workflow in just minutes. With its intuitive features, it'll streamline your collaboration and stay organized effortlessly. Unlock your potential today and experience the difference ClickUp can make. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use ClickUp.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into ClickUp.com, and this is the homepage as you can see. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams and individuals organize tasks and manage workflows. It features task management, time tracking, goal setting, and document sharing, all in one platform. With customizable views and automation options, ClickUp enhances collaboration and boosts productivity. It's designed for users of all industries and team sizes, making project management seamless and efficient. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just click over sign up and create an account. If you already have an account, you click over login and find your account. And let's know the pricing of this platform. So as you can see here, we have 4 packages. You can choose the one you think it's more comfortable or the one you need. For example, we have here the free one and it's for personal use. As you can see, the key features here we have 100 megabyte storage, unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan members, two-factor authentication, collaborative documents, whiteboards, everything view, real-time chat, Kanban boards, sprint management, calendar view, custom file manager basic, in-application video recording as well, and word form. Then we have also 3 packages, but these packages you have to pay to get this option. So we have here the key features, you can just read it, and for example we have the first one and you have to pay $70 per month, and it's for small teams. As you can see, to get started you can just click over here. You have to pay $7 per month, as I said. Then we have other one which is for mid-sized teams and it's called business. As you can see, you have to pay $12 per month, and to get started you click over here and you have to add your or link your information for your personal information for payment, like your card number and everything. And here we have the key features, sorry. Then here we have also here the last one, which is enterprise, and this one is for mini large teams, as you can see. Then to pay you have just to contact sales and you get the pricing, and then you pay and you get started with enterprise. So for example, you can just right now to click over free forever, or you can just click over sign up, or you can come back here and you click over get started. It's absolutely for free, and you'll find other page which is this one. As you can see, you have just to enter your email address and you click over next, and you'll find other page which is this one. In this page you have just to choose one of these options. If you want the option of Google, or the second option which is this one, you have just to add your full name, your work email, and you add your password. Then you click over apply with ClickUp, or you can use the other option which is Google, as I mentioned, and you get started. You will find other page which is this one. About this page you have just to select to answer for these questions. The first one here we have what would you like to use ClickUp for. I will select personal. Then we have how many people will you be working with. We'll just click over just me. Then we have here how would you like to manage. I will select for example at and recruiting. Then we have how did you hear about us. I will select for example Facebook and Instagram. Then we have here do you use any of these to do. I will select for example to do list, Confluence, Monday. We have Asana, Notion, Jira, Excel, right? Then we have Trello, Basecamp. You can select all, or you can just select 1, 2, 3, how much you want. Then you click over next, and we have here which features are you interested in trying. For example, CRM, calendar, workload, and charts, dashboards, chat, docs, and wikis, whiteboards, forms, scheduling, calls, and OKRs, boards and Kanban, automation, time tracking, clips, sprints, tasks, and project, ask EI as well. Then you click over next, and the last step that you have to do is just add the name of your company or organization. Here we have what would you like to. For example, I will just write, we'll just add for example like that. Then you click over finish and you'll find other page which is this one, as you can see. So here we have this page. After creating an account on ClickUp, the first step is to set up your space by inviting team members and customizing settings to fit your needs. Next, you have just to create your project by adding folders and lists to organize tasks effectively. Then you have just to add tasks within those lists, assigning due dates, priorities, and labels for better tracking. Utilize views like Kanban, Gantt, or a calendar. Visualize your work. Finally, explore automation options and integrations with other applications to enhance collaboration and streamline your workflow. Alright, let's discover this platform right now. So here we have various things that you have to know about this platform. For example, we have home, inbox. In the home page, we have here, for example, these options like my work, assigned, and also we find here personalized, assigned comment, and we have other things. If you want to create, you click over here. If you want to manage cards, you have just to click over here. And also, let's move into the next option, which is inbox. About this one, you have just to receive. It's just option for receiving emails and some things like in the settings, or if you find any problems, the platform sent to you here. And then we have here documents. If you want to create a document, you click over here plus, or you can just click over the button in the top right and you'll find this page. I will just click over create documents, and here we have how it looks. You can just firstly add a title. You have just to select. If you want to start writing blank wiki, write with AI, and if you want to add table, for example, you can also make it large like that. You can also here use add new table, column, click up, list, super page. Then we have here AI tools. You can just select the one you want. As you can see, have a popular design, email, engineering, HR, IT, marketing, product, project, sales, services, SEO, social, success support as well. All right. So this is it. Then in the right, we have here other things like here page details, basics, and advanced. You can choose the one you want. For example, the font size. Here we have the line height, and we have also paragraph spacing, page width, and we have the header if you want a cover image and other options. So you can just click over advanced and you get started. Then we have here font size, page width, and other things. And here we have it about documents and how you create. That's why I told you we have a various things in one platforms. Then we have the option of dashboards. For example, here to get started, you have just to click over create dashboard here, or you can just click over the button in the top right, new dashboard, and you will select the dashboard that you want, or you choose a dashboard template. We have here simple dashboard, team reporting, time tracking, project management, client portal, or you can just start from scratch and you will find the various features. You can select the one you think or the one you want. For example, custom, sprints, statuses, tags, assignees, priorities, time and tracking, table, embedded apps, and other things. All right. So you can just choose the dashboard for template that you want. Then we have here the option of clips. About this one, you have just to click over the button in the top right again. We have new clip. To start recording, you click over here and you start recording, and here we have how you can do that. Then we have the option of timesheets. You can just add test if you want, task, sorry. And in the add task, you can just preview timesheets if you want, or you can just filter the task that you want, or you can just search for task name that you already added. All right. Then we have more options like goals, clips, timesheets, whiteboards. All this we already mentioned it and we already discovered it. So right now we have also here the option of favorite, for example, space. If you want to create more space, you click over here and you add your icon name, description. You can make it also private if you want, as you can see, and you can also select the member that you want to share it with it. Then you have just to click over continue and you get started. Also we have the option of project. You can just click over here and select one list, documents, form, whiteboard, a folder, for example a folder, and you have just to write the name of folder and the settings. Then you make it private and you click over create, and this is how you can create a project. Then we have here view all spaces if you want, and create space as I did. All right, we have a space represent teams, departments, or groups, each with its own lists, workflows, and settings. So here we have it. And this is how you can get started with this platform. It's very helpful and useful to use it, and it's all in one platform. That's why I told you. So you can just get started as soon as possible. It's absolutely for free, or you can use other packages. As I said, this packages is dependent to your features that you want. For example, if you have the key features, I like it, that's why I start for free. You can use other packages if you want. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.